These 7 SUVs have earned top ratings for reliability and value, with many receiving high marks from trusted sources like Consumer Reports. But they're not just dependable. Each one offers unique features and appeal. So which of these reliable SUVs is the perfect fit for your needs and budget? Stick around to find out. Number 7. Chevrolet Equinox. The Chevrolet Equinox is a strong contender in the affordable compact SUV segment. With a starting price of around $28,000, it provides a budget-friendly entry point without compromising reliability. According to Consumer Reports, the Equinox has built a solid reputation for dependability, meaning fewer trips to the mechanic and more time on the road. It comes with 2 engine options. Asterisk the base 1.5 liters turbocharged engine, offering 28 mpg in the city and 39 mpg on the highway, ensuring great fuel efficiency. Asterisk the optional 2.0 liters turbo engine, which delivers more power while still maintaining decent fuel economy. While it may not be a luxury SUV, the Equinox provides a comfortable ride, ample cargo space, and a user-friendly infotainment system. If you're searching for a reliable, affordable SUV that won't leave you stranded, the Chevrolet Equinox is a solid choice. Number 6. Mazda CX-5. The Mazda CX-5 may not be the absolute cheapest SUV, but its exceptional reliability could save you money in the long run. According to Consumer Reports, the CX-5 consistently ranks among the most dependable vehicles in its class. While older models have outstanding reliability ratings, newer ones have received good to fair scores, so it's worth checking specific model years before making a purchase. Beyond reliability, the CX-5 delivers a fun driving experience with sporty handling, a luxurious interior, and comfortable seating. Owners praise its sleek design and refined feel, making it an excellent companion for both commutes and long drives. While some competitors might offer more powerful engines, the CX-5 strikes an ideal balance between performance and fuel efficiency. If you want an SUV that's stylish, dependable, and fun to drive, the Mazda CX-5 is definitely worth considering. Number 5. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage has earned a reputation as a budget-friendly, reliable SUV that offers much more than just an attractive price tag. Consumer Reports rates the Sportage above average in reliability, with models lasting between 150,000 to 200,000 miles with proper maintenance, ensuring years of dependable service. While it won't break any speed records, the Sportage delivers a smooth ride and solid fuel economy, making it a great everyday SUV. Its compact size also makes it perfect for navigating city streets and tight parking spaces. Despite its affordability, the Sportage boasts a surprisingly upscale interior, with quality materials and modern features that make it feel like a premium vehicle. If you want a durable, affordable SUV that's built to handle your daily adventures, the Kia Sportage is a great option. Number 4. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is as reliable as a handshake with your grandpa, solid and dependable. Consumer Reports praises it for its low breakdown rate, meaning it's far more committed to the road than you are to that New Year's gym membership. Inside, the Tucson feels spacious and upscale, like a luxury apartment for your family and their gear. The infotainment system, a breeze to use, easier than explaining offside rules to someone during a football match. Performance-wise, Tucson's engine options range from fuel sippers to those with enough muscle for light off-roading. And if you hit a rainstorm, the available all-wheel drive will have you gliding through puddles like a mud-loving hippo. The Tucson punches above its weight in features, comfort, and reliability. If you want an SUV that won't break the bank while keeping you smiling, this is the one. Number 3. Honda CR-V. Tired of SUVs that promise thrills but leave you sweating over repair bills? Enter the Honda CR-V, your reliable road companion that keeps the drama out of your drive. Picture this. You're cruising down the highway, your weekend adventure packed in the CR-V's roomy interior. No worries about breakdowns. The CR-V is built to easily surpass 200,000 miles with just basic maintenance. But it's not just about longevity. The CR-V handles like a dream, with car-like smoothness that makes even long road trips a pleasure. It's fuel efficient, so you can spend more money on experiences rather than gas. Need space. The CR-V transforms into a mobile command center, perfect for family outings or solo escapes. Number 2. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is a household name for a reason. It offers the perfect mix of affordability, practicality, and legendary reliability. For 5 years running, Consumer Reports has given the RAV4 top reliability marks, meaning fewer trips to the shop and more time exploring. But reliability isn't its only strength. The RAV4 provides a comfortable ride, generous cargo space for weekend getaways, excellent fuel efficiency. It may not be the most thrilling SUV, but its predictable, smooth drive is something most drivers will appreciate. Now, let's be real. Cheap is relative. A brand new RAV4 isn't exactly a steal, but its stellar reliability means lower ownership costs in the long run. Plus, with so many used RAV4s on the market, finding a great deal is easier than ever. Number 1. Subaru Forester. If you're looking for an SUV that's reliable, safe, and budget-friendly, the Subaru Forester is a top pick. While never breaking down might be a stretch for any car, the Forester consistently ranks among the most dependable SUVs in Consumer Reports surveys. That means fewer surprise repairs and more worry-free miles. Beyond reliability, the Forester is a safety champion. It boasts high crash test ratings and comes standard with all-wheel drive, making it a fantastic choice for those who drive in rain, snow, or rugged conditions. Sure, maintenance costs are always a factor, but the Forester's durability and widely available parts make it a cost-effective choice in the long run. And that's a wrap. That concludes our list of 7 cheap SUVs that never break down. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car-related content. See you next time.